So right now I'm going to be reading Luke 2:52. And God grew in wisdom and stature and in favor with God and men. And now I'm going to be Roa Sassy and Kiran. Wothathea sutamotavalla asabotake arata e tamime dalala ilgosukuku sapta Latithane or Tilam Kota Hapola Tamasekota Sapata. The Beginner's Bible for Toddlers. The beginning, Genesis 1. In the beginning, the world was empty. Darkness was everywhere, but God had a plan. God created a shining sun and a glowing moon. He made land and trees and mountains and plants. He also made puffy clouds and shining stars too. God made squishy fish and squiggly creatures to live in the ocean. He made birds to fly across the sky. He created animals to creep, crawl, hop, and gallop. Then God made his best creatures, people. God named them Adam and Eve. God looked at everything he made and said, "This is very good." Then God rested. So this picture is when there was nothing in earth and there was just black, nothing. And then he decided to make a moon, stars, and he made clouds, mountains, sun, and he made plants, trees. And then this picture is describing how he made a lot of animals, like birds, fish, ocean animals, and those animals who hunt for prey. And also, God made his best creatures, which were humans in this picture. And basically, God said, "Do not eat this fruit on this tree. If you eat, something bad would happen to them." So Satan said to them, "If you eat this fruit, it will give you magic powers like God." So Eve thought if she and her friend ate it, then they would both be able to help God. But when Adam told God got upset and wanted them to go out of this beautiful area. So then they went to the desert and they turned into dust. Noah's Ark, Genesis 6:9. As the world got older, many people were born. They did bad things and they forgot about God. Except Noah. Noah loved God. God told Noah, "Build an ark." Noah obeyed. When the ark was done, God said, "Take 2 of each animal into every animal, but it could be into the ark. Take your family too." After everyone was inside, God closed the door. Then the rain began to fall and fall and fall. Water covered the whole earth. Finally, the rain stopped. When the water dried up, God told Noah to leave the ark. Noah and his family were very happy. They thanked God, and God put a rainbow in the sky. This is when, like in the older days, people don't care about each other or anything. They fight, they were mean to each other, but Noah loved God so much, and God told him to build a big boat called an ark, and he had to take 2 of each animal and his family. And then this page is when, after everyone was inside the ark, God closed the door, and then big heavy rain was falling, and then water covered a lot of the earth. And then when the rain stopped, God told Noah to go outside, and God put a big rainbow in the sky. And they were very thankful of what God gave them, and also Noah's family loved it, and they were also thankful for it. See how there's animals and the little boat, the big boat, because it's an ark, and it's Noah, and maybe his family is down the hill a little bit exploring. And there are clouds and a big rainbow in the sky. And remember, they loved their God. So guys, I am only able to read all of this, but I will see you in the next time tomorrow, and I love you guys, and this was an amazing time with you guys, and please support the channel because it would mean a lot to us. So we